This is me washing my clothes today. I've been packing, lazy to wash them, but my kid sister could have helped me to wash it, but I told her to leave it because she washed my own her own clothes and my dad's own. That's my father sitting at my back there. He just came down to take fresh air. So I said, let me wash it myself because there are a lot of oil stains, wine stains, place I went to, maybe she won't locate those places. I'm the one that wore it, so let me wash it myself. So these my slippers, very comfortable and soft. That's why I used to wear it anywhere I go to. I don't joke with it. I like the slippers a lot. I have heels, but not too high, like 2 inches, 4 inches. I'm not the heely type, I like something very comfortable. That's why I don't joke with this, my palm slippers. I used to wear it this Christmas a lot. Came back with canvas, but I can count how many times I wore canvas. Alright, so this is me washing it very well. Let me go and spread because the front edge or the roof, they are all filled up. So I have to use the ones at the back that some people tied in our compound, people living in our compound, because we are not always around. We come back once in a year. It's only my dad, if there's anything in the village, he will just come back, stay for some days and go back. So I'm washing it. This is my second time of washing. I want to wash it carefully so that there will not be alkaline. I knew before night it would dry because the way somehow this our angle is a bit cold and the sun is hot. This is my kid sister, our last born with my dad at the back there. So this my brother is back. He came back from the market, went to go and buy things we will use to prepare something. So he went with the bike. Bike is more easier because of traffic to penetrate and go and come back. But if you're with car, you'll be on the traffic all day. So this is me using the remaining rope where I can spread my clothes. Other ones are filled up, but this one is not that strong, but I'll manage it. Spreading this my clothes. These children don't want to allow me rest. Since they see me doing video, they'll just run and come and put themselves inside. I have to blur them because the baby that they are carrying is not that well dressed. So to blur the sticker, no child, this thing, they don't joke with it. So that's why I put sticker to blur them. So this is me. I'm almost done spreading the clothes. Before night falls, these clothes will dry. The sun is very, very hot. Okay, these children, they are back again. Hi, I just saw it now when I wanted to put. I didn't even know they were in the camera. I thought they were behind the camera.